Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making some jelly donuts. Onigiri. And since I need to really start padding the time on these videos for the algorithm to notice me, I'm going to take you all out shopping with me. So let's go ahead and go. 1 squash. 2 squash. Yellow squash. Pork cutlets. And I need to get a stabilizer for my camera. Chicken breasts. I also need to learn how to use autofocus. Rice. Seaweed. Teriyaki sauce. Soy sauce. Black sesame seeds. Some mirin for marinating. Some panko for breading. And garlic because garlic is awesome. Best butter ever. Alright, let's go home and get this started. How the hell did I end up here? Alright, we're home and we're just going to get these things ready to marinate. Wrap them in some plastic wrap. And tenderize them a bit. Make your obligatory masturbation jokes now. Get a bag. Place them in. Add as much teriyaki sauce as you want. Some soy sauce. Seal the bag up, squeeze all the air out, and marinate for at least 3 hours. Let's prep some garlic for our chicken marinade. We're just going to crush it right out of its casing, like so. Oh. Whatever. Let's go. Chop it. Grind it. And paste it. You should be able to kind of see your cutting board. Beat your bird. Place and back. Add your garlic. About a 1/4 cup of oil. Just a dash of mirin. And if you got any citrus lying around, give it a spritz to help break down the clinging particles. Squeeze out all the air. And marinate for at least 1 hour. Alright, when everything is just about done, we're going to start prepping our squash. First cut off the ends and peel them. And cutting them up. As always, for safety, use the claw technique. Go as fast as you're comfortable with, it's not a race. Alright, everything's cut up. We're going to give it a healthy dosage of garlic oil. Give it a good shake, make sure for even coating, and throw it in the oven at 375 for 30 minutes. Alright, now let's start with the rice. I've got 4 cups of boiling water. We're just going to add 2 cups of our rice. Stir it around. It's a bit murkier than I thought it would be. Ah, crap, I forgot to wash it. Well, as I said, got 4 cups of boiling water, and we're going to put 2 cups of our washed rice in. We're going to reduce heat, cover, and let cook for about 20 minutes. In a smaller saucepan, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of white rice vinegar, a tablespoon of sugar, about a teaspoon of oil, some salt. We're going to let that boil down, and that's going to be our seasoning for our rice. Alright, now this part is completely optional. I say as a fact and not because I forgot to show me getting these ingredients. And just stir it in until it gets nice and sticky. Gonna cut up our chicken. To those of you concerned about the fat that's still on there, I actually want it there because it's going to give some nice flavoring whenever we saute it and it gets cooked down. I have 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And just going to toss that in there. Our finished product. Alright, let's start on our pork chops. Got flour with salt, a beaten egg, and breadcrumbs. Just gotta make sure everything gets a nice even coating to it. And drop that in some 350-degree oil. And pull up once golden brown. Should only take about 2 minutes. Drain off all the oil, let cool. Here, let's build it up. Got our rice. Nice, healthy portion. Try and get it as evenly flat out as possible. I do not succeed. First one, we're going to add our squash that I have topped with some salt and cracked black pepper. Fold. Fold. Squish into a triangular-like shape. Add some seaweed. Remember where the camera's at. A light dusting of black sesame seed. More rice. And try for a little less this time. And add our buttered garlic chicken. Fold it up. Realize that sticky rice isn't quite as sticky whenever butter is thrown into the mixture. Top it off with a little piece to identify. Seaweed again. And last is our pork one. Just gonna throw that in there. And voila. Oops. It's cool. We could put it back. No big. And there we are. Onigiri 3 ways. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed what you saw. And comment on anything else you'd like to see. Enjoy!